we're back today. We got another client shoot, behind the scenes, driven art plate. Stance looks really good. But yeah, we are out here in Castaic, and we're gonna be going in the mountains back there, getting some rollers, drone shots, some static B-roll. Location 1, nice little view in the background. Got the car stage. We're just gonna get like a little entering, getting in, starting it sequence. All right, let's get set up. The mic, we just got some fresh batteries for the mic. So I'm just gonna set up for that real quick. This first shot, I'm gonna be punched into the mountains in the background, and then focus pull to basically him opening the car door. Okay, go ahead. So we're just gonna go ahead and get some interior driving shots. Pretty much just drive up and down this road. Just got done with interior driving. Now we're gonna set up for some drone shots. VTEC and D filters. Gotta have these.
Max altitude reached. Home point updated.
Just drive like, you know, pretty fast, I would say. All right guys, so we got the shot set up for the drone shot. Hopefully it comes out good, because my drone skills are, you know, still work in progress. Just got done doing photo rollers. It's currently 5:18. At about maybe 6 o'clock, we can do video rollers. Just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit so we can get that nice lighting. Time for some rollers. Just got done with some exhaust audio. Car's not too loud. We weren't able to get too much of an exhaust, but there were some parts where it wasn't too bad. Hop over to the left when you can. Perfect lighting, dude. Pops out in the back right there.
Oh, that's gonna be a sick cinematic video.
All right, so that's pretty much a wrap with this shoot. We got some pretty dope rollers right now. The sun was just glaring behind the mountains. It was super sick. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.